So first of all, let's take a look at channel marketing as it applies to your or any other business operation. And these are channel marketing fundamentals where I would like to stimulate your memory of what you thought the business would be when you started it, and to get those creative juices flowing so that you can formulate possibilities for your business as you look at digital marketing with channels in mind. So, two main channel marketing fundamentals which we need to take over into digital marketing. The first is the communication of the company's core value proposition. And we'll talk a little bit about branding in a short while. So there's my first question or main point for you to jot down right now, to think about with your colleagues. What is your company's value proposition? Do you know what? Do you have this written down? Is this documented? Can you pull out a Word document and read it out? Is this not just written down, but is this communicated daily, weekly, monthly, annually? So that's the first part of channel marketing, the communication of your company's value proposition. Of course, we'll be looking to use the internet to effect this. That's the communication. The second aspect of channel marketing is delivering products and services to the end user client. And you may say right now, for example, well, we sell motor cars, or we are a beauty salon, or we do insurance or accounting, bookkeeping, football coach. The key point is that when we look at the digital marketing activities from a channel marketing perspective, we need to be considering our target market customers and how we can digitize portions or some or all, or create solutions that include the actual physical component. For example, normally I go to companies and I physically stand in front of a marketing department and we go through strategy development. I ask questions, we get on the whiteboard, I create strategy on the spot, I go away, I write up the training, and I come back to them after. But that's physically in person. But is there a way for me to do a digital version of that? And you're watching this video now. And I suggest that there has to be some component of digitization that any business can do, so that they can use digital marketing to deliver products and services as well as promoting their business.